Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for the last day of May 31st, 2026. Thanks for joining me in this edition of the Weather Guru podcast. We're here looking at the severe thunderstorm warnings and watches, and now there's a tornado warning in effect right now. We're going to go right to it. This is in central Missouri, southeastern Missouri, closer to the Poplar Bluff area here. And so this is about 3.5 hours south of St. Louis here in Cape Girardeau. And you can see tornado warnings for Ripley County here. We have a cell that's in the purple producing that hail core and the rear flank downdraft. There is a tornado that's radar indicated. It's producing almost an inch of hail there and heavy rain, and a tornado warning is in effect for Ripley County there. So National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Ripley County in southeastern Missouri until 4:15 Central Daylight Time. So if you take cover, please. This is severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornado near Budapest, 12 miles north of Donovan, Missouri, and it's nearly stationary, so it's not moving a lot here. Flying debris will be an issue here. Mobile homes, if you want to get into a safe space, in the interior bathroom, if you can, damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is already occurring. So this tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Ripley County. But if you happen to have a house out in this area here, just to the northeast of Donovan, Missouri, in Ripley County, you want to take cover because there's also hail with this on the backside. So you can see in purple here, and this storm was nearly stationary here. As I put it in motion here, you can see that it's not moving. It's just training over the same areas here, southeast and southeast of east of Grandin, Missouri here. So severe thunderstorm warning outside that area is extended here for 70-mile-an-hour straight line winds with this long line of systems here, and then 1.5 inches of hail, 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail in effect for this severe thunderstorm warning. This includes Butler, Carter, Ripley, and Wayne counties in southeastern Missouri here as I zoom out here. And this is all pushing its way toward Poplar Bluff here in the next 30 to 40 minutes here, and that's why the National Weather Service has issued that severe thunderstorm warning. This extends also in the Cape Girardeau, Missouri here. We have a severe thunderstorm warning once again for 70-mile-an-hour winds, straight line winds, and hail up to 1.5 inches. For southwestern Union County and southern Illinois, northwestern Pulaski County, southern Illinois, once again Alexander County and southern Illinois, and then east central Bollinger County, northern Scott County, and Cape Girardeau County in southeastern Missouri. All of this is lasting until 4:30 Central Daylight Time. So this thunderstorm is located on radar, producing 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and its radar indicated here over Millersville, and is moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. So tree damage is likely, damage to mobile homes, roof, and outbuildings here as it comes into Cape Girardeau, Jackson, Scott City area, Gordonville, Millersville, and those areas to the east here. So Interstate 57, if you come along Interstate 57 there, about to hit 57, towards Illinois, southern Illinois there, be careful. And coming on into later on in the Cape Girardeau, Orion, Cairo, and Sikeston, Missouri, there in that corner there. So be very careful. Now we also have a flash flood watch in Georgia. This is for Atkinson and Ware counties in Georgia. This is just to the east of Pearson and Willacoochee, Georgia here. This is along US 84 here. All right, so if you're coming along US 84, be careful. East central Atkinson County, southeastern Georgia, and northwestern Ware County in southeastern Georgia. 4:41 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in the warned area. 3 to 4 inches have already fallen. Additional 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area as we continue throughout this Sunday, this last day of May 31st, 2026. So you want to make sure you turn around, don't drown. Those creeks and those rivers and those streams are going to be swollen. Millwood, Georgia is impacted by this, but there's also rain around Waycross, Pearson, Douglas, Georgia, Homerville, and back toward the I-75 corridor here in southern Georgia. So all around here has been rain on I-95 as well, from Jessup back toward the Brunswick Sea Isles and back toward the Florida border there with St. Mary's, Georgia. Rain is all in Okefenokee Swamp as well. So there's something to keep in mind there. Heavy rain in Georgia. Coffee County is also under a flash flood warning right now. Coffee County, Georgia. Once again, this is southern Georgia, east of Tifton and I-75 corridor here, and east of Fitzgerald, Georgia. It's training. We had this training, the rain going over the same spots over and over again, producing heavy rain of 1 to 2 inches an hour. Flash flood warning for southwestern Coffee County until 6:45 Eastern Daylight Time. Once again, heavy rain is already fallen, 4 inches. 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area in the next couple of hours here. So mainly it's rural areas of southwestern Coffee County, and you want to turn around, don't drown here, as we got that issue there, that flash flood warning there that's going to continue for the next hour or so. But other than that, as I zoom out here, you can see see, we just had those popcorn showers in typical summertime fashion in the southeast here, extending along a line from US 84 from Albany back into Alabama. Southern Alabama here, pushing up on I-85, that Montgomery, the Opelika, LaGrange corridor, just south of there, 185 to Casita and Columbus, Georgia, and Phoenix City, Alabama. And then we have rain coming in the I-75 corridor south of Macon and Perry towards Fitzgerald, Vidalia, I-16 corridor, and then southern Georgia, southeastern Georgia, toward I-95, Brunswick, St. Mary's, the Sea Isles, Jessup, and then pushing up to the southern suburbs of Savannah almost, and Beaufort, South Carolina, as you can see extended here. This is going to continue for the next couple hours here, but this is what we have to severe thunderstorm mornings and watches, most concerned for Missouri, the corridor from Missouri to Cape Girardeau, Missouri, back toward Paducah, Kentucky, and then into that southern boot hill country of Missouri as well. That's where we have the greatest risk right now for severe thunderstorm warning and tornado warnings that expires in the next 10 to 15 minutes here. So this has been the Weather Guru update for May 31st, 2026. Have a blessed Sunday and enjoy your day. Enjoy the weather if you can. Talk to you soon. Blessings.